are back with another declutter video. Today I'm going to be decluttering my concealers and my primers, and it also looks like I have a few sets of eyelashes in here too. So yeah, we're just going to go through, get rid of a bunch of old stuff that I don't use anymore. Okay, so let's start with concealers, and I'm just going to grab the first one. This is Makeup by Mario. Of course, I use this one all the time. This is so hydrating. If you have mature skin, this is great because it's a thin consistency. It's a medium coverage. Definitely keeping. Okay, LYS. This one is my winter shade. I do have a summer shade in this as well. But again, it's very much like the Makeup by Mario. It is a medium coverage. Very thin. If you have more mature skin, it doesn't settle into your wrinkles. Okay, so this is from Pretty Vulgar, and I haven't obviously used it in forever. As you can see, it's like got a lot of separation in here. This is my winter shade, but I will be letting this one go just because I honestly never really reached for it. Juvia's Place. This primer is pretty nice, and it comes in a pretty big container, so it is going to last you quite a while. This is my summer shade, but it is a really nice formula. I do like it a lot. Gonna keep that one. Next up, we got the NYX Pro Stick. And I love these Pro Sticks. This one is in the shade Pink. And I do like this one for brightening, but I also really like this for the lips because if you're wanting a nude pink lip, this is beautiful for that. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is definitely a full coverage concealer. This is my winter shade. It's a really nice concealer. It covers a lot. I do like the formula of this one a lot as well. Okay, so NYX HD Concealer. I do really like this concealer. This one is getting to be like dried out. It's like almost nothing left in the container here, so I will be letting this one go, but I will repurchase this because it is a really nice concealer. Oh, this is Jaclyn Hill's concealer. I do really love it. As you can see, I have used it a ton. This concealer was one that I thought wore nicely, and you didn't have to use a lot of powder because it's kind of like a self-setting concealer, which is really nice. But unfortunately, we can't get that one anymore. Okay, so here is my other LYS. This is my summer shade. It's a little darker than the last one. Again, love LYS. They are definitely one of my top brands. Okay, so I have this Believe Beauty. You can get this at Dollar General, and this is really nice. Uh-oh, the doe foot applicator is no longer on the end of here. It came off. I'm guessing it's inside of here. How crazy is that? Well, I guess we'll get rid of that, but I do like the concealer. Unfortunately, the packaging didn't hold up, so we'll let her go too. Okay, so this is Essence Concealer. This is Keep Me Covered. This one is my winter shade, but it really is a full coverage, long-lasting concealer. Very affordable. I do like that concealer a lot. Okay, so this is Revlon Color Stay. This one is in the shade Universal Brightening, and this is a pink shade. Again, I love it for brightening. It does a really great job at brightening your under eye. Okay, so this is a concealer from Be Pure. This comes from the Dollar Tree. Honestly, I don't really love these, but I am gonna keep this one because I do film Dollar Tree Get Ready With Me's, and this is the only concealer that they really had. They have this one, and they have, here is the other one that I've gotten, and honestly, I don't really love either one. Some girls do love them, and they work out, but I just don't think the coverage is really anything. It's like a very light coverage. It's okay, but nothing to like write home about. But I'm just going to go ahead and keep them both just for video sake. Okay, this concealer is from AOA. This is the Shop Miss A. This is a very affordable concealer. Girl, she's the full coverage concealer. If you're looking for full coverage but very affordable, check out Shop Miss A because it definitely is a very full coverage. Really nice. It does go on the skin beautiful, and it doesn't look creasy or anything, so I will keep this one. Okay, so this is e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I have a couple of these for winter and summer. This is my summer shade here. This one is in tan walnut. I like the original. I don't like the hydrating one as much. I think the original is really beautiful. I have dry skin, but it doesn't dry out my under eyes, but it is a nice like full coverage concealer. Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Concealed. This is a nice concealer. This one I got for my summer, kind of like in between my summer and winter shade. But I think it's really beautiful. It's a very full coverage concealer as well. So I will definitely be keeping that one. This is Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie Concealer. This is a really nice concealer and I love how big the container is. Like, you buy one of these and you're not going to have to buy concealer for a while because the container is huge. Again, full coverage, really beautiful on the skin. Too Faced Born This Way. This is a really, again, huge concealer. Like, these two concealers are definitely a lot bigger than your normal concealer, which I love because you're not going to have to worry about purchasing concealers. But this is my summer shade. Definitely keeping that one. Again, full coverage. Really pretty. I do love it for summertime. I think it's beautiful. This is one of my newer concealers that I've gotten. This is Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. And I don't know what I was seeing when I was at the store because, girl, the shade is crazy. Look how light that is. Like, what was you thinking when you were getting that concealer? I don't know. But in store, it looked darker. I still make it work. It's still a really beautiful concealer. Very affordable. Okay, so this is e.l.f. in shade Light Sand. And this is my winter shade. This tube is getting a little low on product. But that's what it's looking like. And again, very full coverage. But I love it. I think it is a really nice concealer. And I have a brand new one. This one is in the shade Light Sand. So I can actually replace that one when I do run out. I just got it when it was on sale. Okay, so this is the Hydrating Camo Concealer, but as you can see, I have used this one quite a bit, and I'm just really not a fan of the hydrating one, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, so next up I have this Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. And I'm probably going to let this one go too, just because I never use this one, to be honest with you. The shade doesn't look bad, but I just don't really use this one. So we'll let her go. Fenty Beauty, this is one of my favorite concealers. I think the coverage is amazing on this. It doesn't settle into your fine lines and wrinkles, and it just looks beautiful under the eye. This is my winter shade. Definitely keeping this one. I have another NYX Pro Thick Stick. This one is in the shade Vanilla. This is my winter shade. Again, these are awesome. This is actually really great if you carve out your eyebrows. It just makes it so easy to do that. But again, it just is a beautiful coverage and it doesn't crease or anything under your eye, so I do love it. The Maybelline Eraser. Now this one, I do really love the formula of, and you can tell I've used it a ton. I've been through a couple of these. I hate the packaging though. The packaging is awful. Again, formula is really nice, just don't love this packaging. This is another Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. This one is in the shade Light Beige, and I haven't even used this one, so we're going to save her. I'm not going to swatch it because I haven't used it yet. So we'll set that one to the side. This one is Almay. This is the Ageless Hydrating Concealer. I don't love the packaging of this, but the formula I do like of this. I think it is a like medium to full coverage formula, and it does have a good bit of hydration. Again, I just don't love the packaging. I wish that it was just had a regular dofa packaging. I have another Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. This one is in the shade Vanilla. This is my winter shade. She's very light and bright, and I do really love the formula. I do love this under the eye. I think it looks beautiful, and it doesn't seem to crease that bad, so that's why I have multiple shades. Okay, so this is from Dragon Beauty, and I've had this thing forever. This is a corrector. This is for if you have really dark circles. I've used it a few times, but I don't really have a problem with dark circles, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this. And then I have this from So Susan, but it is broken. Is this even supposed to? It's a highlighting crayon. It's like a highlighter. I don't know why it's over here in the concealer section. Can you see that? It is like a highlighter though. It's really glossy and it looks pretty on the skin. I just never use it. I don't know why it's over here in the concealer section, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and restack this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna restack this because I do have winter and summer shades. This is summer. These are, which one are you? You're winter. So I also have a few sets of lashes in here that I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna move elsewhere. This is summer, winter, summer, winter. These are all winter shades. Okay, so I got my drawer all restacked here, and let's go ahead and get started on the primers. Okay, so I have a few more sets of lashes here. I'm just gonna take those out. Starting off with P. Louise. This is the Partner in Pink. This is a really nice just hydrating primer, so I'm keeping this. Well, I love this from Touch in Sol. This is their Glassy. And this again is just really nice hydrating primer. It's like a moisturizer for your skin. When you have dry skin, these are really great primers. This is my newest primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum, and this is phenomenal. I love this. I've been using it quite a bit, and I just think it's a beautiful primer. It's definitely one of the grippiest primers I have. Okay, so this is the Beauty Crop Cocoa Glow, and this is like a oil primer, and it has like a little bit of shimmer shine in it, and it is really beautiful. I love to use this one, especially in the summertime during the drier months, because this is more of like an oil. So I will be keeping that. Okay, so I have two of these No Problem primers. Obviously, you can tell that I do really like it. I don't know why I started using this one before I was finished with this one. This one's almost done, but I'm not going to get rid of these. I do really like them. They smooth out your skin beautifully. Okay, so I have this e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams, and this smells phenomenal. It smells like vanilla. I love it. This is like one of my favorite putty primers. They say that this is like the illuminating primer, but I don't know. I feel like this one is way more creamy for some reason, and I just like this particular one better. I wish they would have just kept this as like a permanent thing, because I just feel like the actual formula is a little creamier, and I do like this one. This is one of my favorite like grippy primers. This is Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. You can get this from Walmart. It's green, just like the e.l.f. Power Grip, except for it is a little more hydrating. Like, I feel like the green e.l.f. Power Grip is a little too grippy, and it doesn't like to like spread around on your skin. It just kind of like sticks. This one really spreads around, and it is so hydrating to your skin. But I will say it's not as grippy as the e.l.f. Power Grip. This is a little sample Woe Glow. I love this stuff, you guys. I think that it looks so pretty just like on the skin by itself. But sometimes I do like to use this as my primer. It's almost out, but it does give you just like a really pretty, beautiful glow to your skin. And I just think, my goodness, I love it so much. I want to get the full size of it because I think it just looks so pretty. Okay, so I actually have two of these Oma Beauty. I don't know why I have two of them, but I do. This one is not open, so we'll keep her. I love this primer. I think it's beautiful. It is like the Woe Glow. It gives you that really pretty like shine to your skin. Very hydrating. Just really beautiful, and I just love how it looks. I think it makes your skin just look so beautiful. It does really remind me of the e.l.f. Woe Glow. So this is from Beauty Creations. This is the Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer, and I also have this one, which is their Primer Stick and Matte. Now, I got this out of a little kit that I ordered. Look at how cute this is. Isn't that like adorable? So I do like that. I like that you got to try both of their primers out of the kit that I got. Beauty Creations is a really nice brand. They're very affordable. And again, I love that I got to try the hydrating and the like matte stick. They're both really nice. Just depends on what you're kind of going for. So I will keep those. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Power Grip. This is the pink one. I like the pink one better than I do the green one. I think this one is way more hydrating. So that's why I like it more, because I just feel like you can rub this on your skin without it sticking right away. Okay, so this is the Essence Hydro Hero Primer, and this is phenomenal. I really do like this primer a lot. Again, Essence is very affordable, but really nice brand as well. This is Iconic Beauty, and this is their Blur Stick. I use this sometimes, not a ton, because I do have dry skin, so I tend to gravitate towards hydrating primers. This one's not hydrating. It's a matte blurring stick. It does blur your skin, and it smells like coconut. It smells phenomenal. So I will keep this because this does a great job at evening out and smoothing out your skin if you want that like real super flawless base. Believe Beauty, again, another hydrating primer. You can get this at Dollar General, and I do really like this. It's like a moisturizer under your foundation. It works really well. Pure 4-in-1. I haven't used this in forever. I don't even know if this is still any good. It's fine. This is, again, just a really nice hydrating primer. That's, again, what I gravitate towards. Here is the e.l.f. Power Grip Original, the green one. It's okay, but again, not my favorite. I probably won't repurchase that one. Another e.l.f. Wow Glow sample, because when you order off their website, they will send you like sample sizes. Okay, so this is AOA Studios. This is the Shop Miss A product. It's supposed to be like a blurring primer. I don't think that it is, and it has like little things of glitter in here. I did not really care for this primer, so I'm gonna let this one go. That's the first primer I let go. Terrible. Okay, So Susan Cosmetics. This one was a pretty good primer, but I'm going to go ahead and let this one go as well, just because I don't really use this one. And then I do have a couple of these small little e.l.f. putty primers. I had 3 of them. I don't know what happened to the other one, but I still have the matte putty primer and the poreless. I probably used up the Illuminous, but as you can tell, I have put this one to use. I have used it quite a bit. These are okay. They're not the greatest. I'm gonna go ahead and let these go. I just like the Cookies and Dream one way better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and restock my container. These ones I don't love to leave sitting up because they will just fall over anyway. These ones we'll put in here. Okay, so that is what we are left with out of the primers. Much more organized. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I got rid of out of my concealers and my primers. I know it's not a lot, but it's progress. I got rid of a few things. And all of these lashes I will be putting elsewhere. I have a different spot that I want to start like keeping my lashes. Okay, you guys, so this is what we are left with. I love this. I think it looks so much better than when we started. Even though we only got rid of a few things, I just feel like it's a bit more like stacked in here, a little better. I do have my concealer separated from my winter and summer shades, so I like that better. And my primers, you can see much nicer. It's just a lot more organized and you can get to things a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Definitely stay tuned because I still have quite a bit more makeup to go through. So we will continue to do these declutters. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and decluttering my makeup. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!